What maintenance should I do on a 4MQ7 at 100,000 miles? I don't know off the top of my head.
I mean, it's all of the supercharger things. I mean, you're looking at intercooler bricks inspection, make sure those aren't leaking. Injectors, both DI and port on those. 100,000 miles is getting there for injector life. Supercharger clutch, it's a C-Rack with they have a magnetic like decoupling plate for the supercharger.
Just delete that.
Yeah, honestly, if you're in there doing stuff, just delete it. Especially if you're going to be inspecting your intercooler cores or whatever, and
you're
things pulled apart.
You're going to need the right tune.
Yep, and obviously you'll need a tune for that. Yes, right. Yeah, all the other normal wear and tear stuff. Motor mounts will start leaking at some point. Yeah, it's tough to know on 100,000 miles because that'll have a wildly varied opportunity of different maintenance paths at that point. So, yeah, it's gonna be down to you getting in there, getting familiar with it, and poking and prodding, and figure out what it needs.
I mean, in my experience, my Q7 before we had that issue with the motor, I've only ever had a starter go out on it.
Now you're going to need to explain what that issue with the motor is because the internet will take.
I'm not. It's too soon. I'm not ready yet. But it was let's just call it an R&D related failure. But yeah, no, it's been a rock solid car. Well over 100,000 miles. I don't know what the factory maintenance is, recommended maintenance at 100,000, but I'm sure it's like plugs and
it's usually glossed over, like air filters, spark plugs.
Yeah.
Fuel filter. Fuel filter is one that people do rarely these days too. That's something that gets overlooked, I think, because it's all in the tank now for a lot of these cars. Yeah. So that is something you do want to keep an eye on still.
Control arms definitely by 100,000 should be replaced. Yeah. Okay. I did those. It's just part of our R&D.
Yep.
And then I think I had a leaking fuel water pump at some point, and recently had something was leaking.
Yeah. That's more a repair than maintenance then. But
yeah.
The while you're in there list can get long.